To begin the cleaning process, disconnect the mixed bag and move to a refrigerator. Place the mixed bag adapters into an empty bucket in rear of cabinet. Install another bucket towards the front of the lower cabinet and start filling with Lex solution from the portable wand. While the bucket is filling with Lex, turn the freezing cylinder off and drain, removing as much mix as possible. After emptying, spray off the mix adapter and place into the Lex solution. Fill the freezing cylinder up to the air bleed valve with Lex. Turn the pump off and turn clean mode on for 2 to 3 minutes to pre-wash the cylinder. Leave the wand on to refill the bucket with approximately 1 gallon of Lex. While machine is pre-washing, clean the mixed bag adapter, removing if necessary, using a brush and hydro rinse wipes. Remove and set aside duckbill check valve if equipped, then reinstall mix adapter and place back into front bucket of Lex. To drain the pre-wash solution, turn off clean mode and open the spigot to relieve any pressure. Next, remove the spigot extension and spigot. To remove spigot, rotate 90 degrees and push out through the bottom. In the lower cabinet, disconnect the check valve block, setting aside the spring check valve, and allow the cylinder to drain into the rear bucket. Clean off the block manifold using hydro rinse wipes, the portable wand, and OEM brushes. Then connect the hydro rinse bypass to the check valve block. Terminate the end of the hose to a suitable drain. Use the wand and hydro rinse wipes to rinse the air bleed valve and spigot opening, and clean the underside of the door. Install the Pro Control by first wetting all O-rings on the piston and water supply connection with a wipe, then push the piston up through the spigot opening, and slide the keeper switch towards you. Next, connect the water supply and add 1 chemical cup to each cup housing. To add Lex cleaner and sanitizer cups, remove a cup housing by rotating outward from center, insert 1 pre-measured 2-ounce cup of Lex, and reinstall by pushing straight up onto the Pro Control and rotate inwards toward center so the green arrow lines up with the indent. Do the same for the other cup housing. Initiate the Pro Control cycle by pushing the one-touch button once and hold in the air bleed valve until the cylinder fills up to it. When the Pro Control beeps, place cylinder into clean mode and turn on the pump to draw the Lex solution in the front bucket through the delivery system and out through the bypass. This will finish cleaning and sanitizing the mixed delivery system. Turn off the pump when depleted. You can use this time to clean and sanitize all removed components. Hydro Rinse recommends the use of 2 1/3 pan containers to do this at the machine. One to clean in and the other to place sanitized parts in. When the cycle is complete, the Pro Control's green LED will blink slowly and the control will beep. Push the play pause button to put the Pro Control back to sleep and take the machine out of clean mode. To drain the cylinder, disconnect the water supply and remove the left cup housing over the dirty 1/3 container. Then, disconnect the check valve block from the bypass block and allow the cylinder to drain into the rear bucket. After fully drained, remove the bypass system and reinstall the spring check and check valve block to the manifold block and reinstall the duckbill check valve if equipped. Reinstall the left cup housing. Empty the right chemical cup and remove the Pro Control by sliding the keeper switch to the middle neutral position and push down on the manifold to remove, and set the Pro Control aside. Brush clean the spigot port and rinse with the wand. Re-lubricate and reinstall the spigot and refill your machine according to manufacturer's instructions. When complete, it is good to perform a self-clean on your Pro Control before putting away. While performing the cleaning, it is best to keep the lower cabinet door closed as much as possible if only cleaning one cylinder.